Breaking tonight, tsunami advisories have been issued for Alaska, Hawaii, and the West Coast after a powerful earthquake off the coast of eastern Russia. So right now, those in coastal areas, they're being told to stay away from beaches, and in Hawaii, parts of the islands are being evacuated. That's where we begin this evening, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us. So warning sirens, they sounded out in Hawaii about an hour and a half ago, and they could start seeing possible impacts in the next couple of hours. So we want to go to our chief meteorologist, Chris Franklin, for the very latest on this breaking news. Chris, what are we seeing here?
I mean, this is massive. An 8.8 goes down as one of the largest recorded underwater earthquakes, and it occurred just off of one of the peninsulas of Russia, so very near the Aleutian Islands. We'll zoom first into Hawaii, where there are tsunami warnings, where it may only be another few hours before those waves start impacting the islands. And as we had mentioned, evacuation orders for people to get into the interior of the islands, very mountainous, and so there is high ground for those folks to get to. As far as the Aleutians, very close to the epicenter of that earthquake. The western Aleutians under a tsunami warning, a tsunami advisory where it's not anticipated to be nearly as detrimental on the eastern Aleutians. And then as far as the west coast goes, basically from the U.S. Canadian border down to the U.S. Mexican border, tsunami advisory is in effect. We'll probably start to see the waves on the west coast at about 1 a.m. our time, but that's just the initial wave. It may be kind of an ongoing issue throughout the overnight period. It's something that is kind of widespread across the entire Pacific basin. For us at home, you may be looking at some lightning. This is not on land. Some big thunderstorms over the last couple of hours, although offshore. Our rain chances are picking up in the coming days and will help to alleviate our temperatures. More on that in a few minutes.
Thank you so much. We, of course, will continue to follow as those tsunami advisories progress, so stay with us right here, as well as on our website and our social media pages.